Hi guys, this is me making some meatballs. This is the onion, the seasoning, the bread. So this is the meat. I already put onion and garlic. Showing you guys cutting some onion and garlic. And this is me putting a little bit more onion. Cut. Yeah. This is me putting a little bit of cinnamon. I like a little cinnamon in my meatball. This is the all-purpose seasoning. A little bit. Showing you the all-purpose seasoning. This is some jug seasoning. And this is the Goya seasoning. This is, we put in some cayenne pepper. Not too much. Showing you it's cayenne pepper. This is some black pepper from the Dollarama. Black pepper, and this is 1 toast in water because I'm lactose intolerant, so we go with water. And this is we mixing it together, and this is what it looked like. This is me forming the meatballs. Yeah, this is me put some foil paper, going to get my hand washed in the sink, then starting to form the meatball. So I'm making it a handful of meatball. With me rolling up some meatball. This is me forming them, putting them on the forming some more meatball. I'm trying to full the dish of meatball. Forming some more meatballs. With spaghetti and meatball. This is putting them all together, and this is all on the pan. Putting it in the oven, and this is it done. It didn't burn, but the sauce. So this is it all done in a dish. This is the sauce we made for it, and this is the spaghetti.